4th of July. Bruh.
Oh man, fuck you, Kyle. Up.
Dude.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, you better back up,
Yeah,
dude.
back up, bro. That
Not
one-
like that, and you are being recorded right now. Gage. Jeez. He don't listen.
Skin burn.
Yeah, I can
No.
smell you burned yourself. It smells like Jeffrey Dahmer up in here.
Smell like
No.
Smell like fucking. I feel like smelling a lighter.
Setting it up. Getting there.
Dad, it's like Slipknot again.
Stop.
There you go.
It is like Slipknot concert.
How the hell you doing? It's the WB.
Mom, can I jump over it?
No.
Damn you. I'm gonna. Dad, that sucked.
Yeah,
Whatever.
It did.
It was
lit up.
okay.
It's to get rid of some of these small ones, so Mom can get it.
Mom can get. So Mom can get it.
Get rid of all the small ones. Mom can get it. Good Lord, there goes that brick. I'm joking. Don't ruin your shoes, bro. No, we could have.
It's like, oh, look at that. That was awesome, Dad.
It could be. It really could be.
This fight's better than that.
That was pretty bad.
Fail. Fail.
Fail.
Hey, Dad, you want me to throw your phone in there?
Yeah.
Replacement.
Yeah, plug replacement plan. It'll really go like that.
Yeah. You're doing great.
It's doing so well, my child. You are so big.
Oh my god.
Move.
Bye. Oh, 4th of July week.
My country.
Oh my god, Gage. Jeez.
Oh shit, Sue. Come on, move. Up there. We go.
Move, dude. Gage, stop with the noises.
Here you go, Mom.
No.
Oh yeah, and there's one out there random that I didn't get. It was in my hands.
There you go. There it is.
Oh.
Go check it now. No, I'm joking.
Pop.
Okay.
Stop.
It's popcorn.
Oh.
These are like hobo
Hey.
hobo fireworks.
So I took a lift that other one.
Fuck.
Quit.
Do it.
You're so smart. Don't. Hey, stay the mark.
Yes.
Then don't do it.
Oh. Endless. Dud.
This is the end. My only friend, the end.
Shut up.
Ghetto Fireworks 2017.
This fucking sucks.
Yeah,
Sponsored
they
by
were
Walmart.
sponsored by Walmart because they quit it in our town. Hashtag bruh.